You see that? Let's get it. I'm back with another mukbang. Truck bang challenge. Come get you some. Bussin', 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 bussin'. Let's get it. Bussin', bussin', bussin'. We got the trusted Coke Zero. You know what I'm talking about? Bussin', 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 bussin'. Say what up, Kinfolk. Bussin', bussin'. It is what it is. You hear me? Hey, man. And again, I'm back with another mukbang. Hey, we got some Babyback ribs today with some garlic Parmesan French fries and some sausage, some beef sausage. You can get a lot of meat today, Kinfolk. You can get a lot of meat. We're gonna go ahead and say grace. We're gonna do the Snapchat already. We already did that. And we finna get it in. Come get you some. Hey, man. Start with these fries. Garlic Parmesan fries. You see that? Ooh, got the black gloves on. Yes, sir. Hey, I've been outside grilling. My hands was a little suspect today. You know, got charcoal and the wood, washing your fingernails, throwing it as clean as they supposed to be. Y'all ain't finna get on me. Y'all ain't finna talk about me and my nails. No sir. That's why I got the gloves on. But there's a lot of sauce involved today, so we finna get on into that too. Babyback. I'm gonna make y'all love this. I'm gonna make y'all love this. You see that? Bussin'. Man, that's bussin' right there. You can't deny that. I'm gonna make y'all love these ribs. Oh man. Hey, we got the trusted Coke Zero. My brother say, hey man. Good Lord. My brother say, hey man. Why don't you prop one of them sodas? Sorry. I need a mic. Mine broke. Yes, sir. My brother said, hey man, why don't you prop one of them soda bottles up on the screens? Maybe you can get some endorsements. I say, bruh, I got Coke Zero in the intro. My boy Mo Tip Beats, he put that in the intro. It's the trusted Coke Zero. I don't think they ain't gonna do it, Kinfolk, but I wish they would. It's Coke, it's delicious. I like it a lot. Oh man, I don't even know why I got these fries up here. They good though. Garlic Parmesan fries, and I forgot to show you how I made it. I was in a hurry. I got sidetracked. They busting them, man. I'll show y'all next time. I make you delicious. Just in a hurry. These are soft. That sausage don't compare to this real. That sausage don't compare to this right here. If you don't like the ribs, I don't know what's going on with you. What's wrong with you? Is it because they baby backs? Because you think they from babies? Are they from babies? That's gonna change a whole lot of stuff up. I don't think they're from babies. Are they? I think they're from small hogs. I hope so. If not, it probably ain't gonna change nothing. I'm just being honest with you. As you can see in the title, we're gonna talk about some stuff. I wanted to do this as an ASMR, but my mic broke. I tried to fix it again. I was like, bro, I'm broke. Just get over it. I said, okay. Get some more of this Coke Zero. Okay. Spoiler alert. Let's talk about power. Tariq, he gonna make me take a trip. You hear me? He gonna make me take an imaginary trip, talk to his daddy and Tommy and tell him, hey, this dude played y'all big time. He ain't no good. Y'all need to end him. Y'all need to end him. I don't care. I don't care, he little boy. 15 years old, he let the girl play him. I like that though. I like that. You can't root for Tariq. You can't root for that boy. When that kidnapper, spoiler alert, when that kidnapper was beating him with them oranges, yeah, get him again. Get him again. Come on. Where you going? Where you going? He ain't dead. He ain't. Can I say that? Oh, whatever. He's still moving. He's still moving. Get him again. Then he threw that big orange in his face. I wish you would have hit him on the head with it. If he ain't bleeding, he's still needing. You hear me? I'm sorry. I gotta get that. I'm trying to tell you now. He gotta go. But I heard it's gonna be like a spinoff with him and the dude that was used to be his roommate because he got kicked out of school. And gonna start being like his daddy and Tommy. We don't need that. We good. It could be a spinoff with somebody else. With Tasha selling dope. And you know what I'm saying? It's a TV show. With Tasha selling dope. And Lala selling dope. Spinoff for that. We gotta go, y'all. We been through this. This ain't no surprise. He ain't no good. I'm Team Ghost. But I'm gonna tell you this. His daddy ain't no good either. His daddy will lie in your face like it ain't nothing. Like, hey, how's the weather? I just killed 4 people. No, I didn't. You better wake up, huh? 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 Ghost ain't no good. I can sense a bad ending coming in here. I could. I don't want it, but I could. Let me put some more of this Coke Zero in my cup. It's a problem. It's a real problem. It's a real life problem. Tariq ain't gonna never learn his lesson. What's your boy name? He crazy too. What's his name? Dang. The light-skinned Nigerian, whatever they call him. On his YouTube, on his Snapchat, whatever. Rotimi, him, his character. He's a sociopath. Just when you think he going this way, he go that way. Just when you think he finna be good, he finna be bad as heck. He finna be a sociopath. One drug dealer said we can wait till they clear out. What's his name? I don't know. Rotimi, I'm gonna call him Rotimi. We can wait till they clear out. Then we can take off. He said, man, you ain't built for this. I said, what this boy finna do? He took out a knife. Kept it moving. He's a sociopath. It's time for them to go. It's time to make this world a better place. You hear me? I probably ain't gonna eat no more of that sausage, Kinfolk. I'm eat that tomorrow. Later tonight. I ain't lying. I'm not gonna keep it real with you. Did I show? Yeah, I show y'all some ribs. I'm telling you, I'm gonna make y'all fall in love with this. Come on, man. Look at these bones. I can make me a rib sandwich. That's no sandwich. I said a sandwich. What this? It's a piece of meat. I was yesterday. I hope I don't get in trouble for this. Y'all don't know where I work at. But I was at work, right? And I work with some attractive women. I ain't gonna lie. I'm keep it real with you. I keep it myself though. I'm trying to do right on that job. You hear me? This one girl so stuck on herself. She was talking to me. And I was talking to somebody else. And then she came and said, hey, she got in a conversation. She's talking. And all of a sudden, in the middle of our conversation, she's like, yeah, I think that's cool. She taking selfies on Snapchat in the middle of our conversation. That's how conceited she is. Don't get me wrong, she a nice person. But somebody done told her too many times she look good. You hear me? And she said, yeah, David, can you go to table 32 for me? I said, girl, you got one more time to do that. And she said, what? What? What's wrong? I say, you so stuck on yourself. You taking Snapchats? Why you in the middle of a conversation with somebody? I can't wait. I can't wait 5 seconds before I answer your question that you asked me. Hey, David, check this out. What? Hold on. I just took a selfie of me. Then I'm finna show you. She was trying to show me something on YouTube. Oh, man. I ain't over there yet. I ain't over there. We been in a conversation. I ain't never seen nobody do that before. I ain't never seen nobody do that. Never. He said, oh, David, can you go to table 30? They're being kind of mean to chicks. Mean to me. Then by the end of the night, it was like, okay, it was normal. Yeah, I go out there. Hey, they straight. Let me know if they need anything. She like, okay. Man, you tripping. I'll get me wrong now. She's quite a beautiful lady. She's quite a beautiful woman. What's she? She young. She young. She young. You know what I'm saying? So that's why I'm laughing about it. It's funny. It's funny to me. But I ain't got over it yet. But anyway, yeah, I like the job now. I like the people. I like her. I like everybody else. It just amazed me. It just amazed me. Getting full, Kinfolk. And we got a ways to go. I ate some chips. That's it today. I ain't gonna lie. I ate a piece of pork belly too. I was grilling that with the ribs. It was delicious. I didn't mess up my appetite, but it is what it is, Kinfolk. Y'all seen y'all seen this video today? Y'all see what was it? Wing Wednesday. Let me tell y'all something. I told him, so I ain't talking about him. I done already told him. He the barnyard boogeyman. You know what? Somebody need to make a skit. Like Trey Nene did that skit with B-Love. I need to make a skit of Lips walking up to a chicken coop. Dun-dun, dun-dun, dun-dun. Ah! They see him coming. Wait a minute, y'all. He out there, you with me? He give baby chickens nightmares. Y'all go ahead and tell him, because I already told him. He's the barnyard boogeyman. Y'all tag that. Hashtag barnyard boogeyman. On Wednesdays, it's wing day. Hey, y'all say I tear up a piece of chicken. Let's make a piece of chicken disappear, hear me? It's a crime the way let's eat a piece of chicken. That's why he is the barnyard boogeyman. He got baby chicken shivering. Real talk. Real talk. It don't make no sense. That boy be getting it in, you hear me? I'm waiting on the chicken challenge. Somebody's come up with a chicken challenge. Let's see what Lips do. You hear me? Shout out to Crystal Loves to Eat. Y'all go on and check her channel out, man. Look at her channel. Y'all sleeping on her, for real. Y'all sleeping on her, man. Go check it out now. Oh, dang. Where are we eating? You know, seafood. Well, she had them turkey wings. I can't get into turkey leg. I can't get into it. I'm sorry. Turkey leg my kryptonite. Any type of turkey. I just don't like turkey. I bet the Wingstop start selling it. I might eat it. Wingstop make anything good. I like gizzards. Ooh, you know what? I should do a fried gizzard mukbang. I sure should. With some hot sauce. That'd be an ASMR, cause they'd be crunchy. I need to get me a mic. I know what y'all gonna say now. The reason you got full, cause you drank too much. Hey, I'm gonna eat this later. I'm sorry, Kinfolk. I'm gonna eat the last bite today. When I cook, I make my plate too big. But hey, as you can also see in the title, I got some dessert. So let's go ahead and get this dessert in. We got some deep fried Oreos for dessert. Yes, sir. You see that? I forgot my glove. I should have put my glove back on. Yeah. Big. I didn't use this ice cream. Just greedy. I said this might go good with the Oreo. I'm full. Probably gonna be no last bite on this season. Hey, I see y'all out there. I see y'all out there talking about them hot challenges again. I know who you better not come at. I need a break. I need a break. Give me about 6 months, okay? About 6 months, and then get back with you. Let's do it. I ain't break. My cutting board smell like Samyang sauce for a week. I'm walking around here just like, no. I'm about to pass out. I put too many cookies on this plate. Speaking of challenges, during the midst of me recording this, I look at my phone. Jealous Eater tagged us in the pickle food challenge. Pickled egg, yeah. Pickled sausage, pickled hot dog, yeah. Pickled pig feet, get out of my life. I ain't think about that one. Be there say, you get challenge, you just heard him do them. I ain't think about that now. I'm gonna have to cut one of these desserts out, Kinfolk. I think I'm gonna keep eating this. How about that? I got time for it, man. Pig feet and spice. Pig feet and spice. Which one? Which one? I don't know, man. Well, these deep fried Oreos. bussin'. Off the rip. Mmm. 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 I'm tripping. This ice cream right here, this ice cream, it's gonna melt away. I'm sitting up here trying to be a competitive eater. Another reason I like my job, they look at my videos. Man, oh, you do mukbang? And one, shout out to Brittany. Brittany knew what a mukbang was. She said, I look at them all the time. Shout out to you. Mukbang is, I started explaining, she said, I know what it is. Oh, dang. What ever be in one? Dang, you can't just watch. No, I'm just playing. That's a running joke. Every time I say mukbang, people are like, I want to be in. You didn't know what it was a minute ago. I guess Brittany can be in it though. Because she knew what it was. I'm gonna do this. I'll tell you what it is now. It's some pancake mix. These double stuffed Oreos, that's why I'm struggling. It's some pancake mix, double stuffed Oreos, a cup of milk, a cup of the pancake mix, 2 teaspoons vegetable oil, and 1 egg. You mix the egg and the vegetable oil and the milk together. And then you whisk it, and then you put the pancake mix in it. Add it until it get thick. Till it get thick, Kinfolk. Cause if it's soupy, you just gotta add some more. Cause when it's soupy, it's gonna turn out bad. I'm telling you what I know. I'm almost finished. I got a collab coming up next week. Yes, sir. Anybody want to do one sooner? Let me know. And I appreciate y'all throwing up prayers for Lisa Goodman's daddy, man. I mean a lot to her. Hey, we already knew it was done, Kinfolk. She threw it in prayer, and she sent me a video, she sent somebody a video, and I seen it. Her daddy smiling and laughing and joking. God worked, you hear me? And this the last bite. And the last bite is the best bite ever. Deep fried Oreos. You ever heard of that? I'm from the South. That's what we do. South? Did I say South? Let me rephrase that. I'm from the South. That's what we do. I cannot. Hey, and if I'm imitating lips a lot, it ain't that I'm biting them. I'm just respecting them. Cause that show, I'm a big fan here. He my favorite. I got my glass in the over yonder there, and I ain't finna get up. So I'm gonna get this little squid, this little rest of this squid out of here. Coke Zero. Squad, as in face squad. Squad up. I'm tripping. I gotta go. I'm full. Hey Kinfolk, let me go and get that hug from you. I feel like I'm naked today. I feel like I'm missing something. Hey, hope I ain't spoiled too much power for you. I ain't really talking about much. I just said, you know, Tariq, we already know Tariq, he got to go. Period. Point blank. Point blank. He got to go. For real. Ain't no more to be continued. He got to get gone. You hear me? I seen a little clip. The next episode, he was walking like this. So maybe somebody shot him. Maybe. It can happen. Later, Kinfolk. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, and donate to the View Foundation, which y'all been doing. I appreciate y'all. I love y'all, man. I love y'all for that. Let's keep it going though. You see me tomorrow. You might see me tomorrow 2 times if I accept this challenge with these pickled meats. She said it in the tag. She said, I just want to see you eat the pig feet. Pump the brakes, player. She tagged lips. You know he gonna do it. He probably done already got his pig feet doing it right now. I can't, man. Come on now. Come on. That's better than heat. I love y'all, Kinfolk. I see y'all tomorrow, man. And remember, without struggle, there is no victory. Come get you some. Peace, Kinfolk. I got you.